Well, Jeremy, this was like high school tonight. 29 carries. How the legs feeling? You had a lot of work.
They're fine. Our strength coaches do a good job of getting us in shape, and I feel good right now. Surprisingly, I was nicked up during the game, but that's just part of football. But I feel good right now. Just gotta get some treatment tomorrow, and I'll be back in right now.
Offensively, the best performance really of the year. Balance, running the football. Mettenberger was outstanding throwing the football. Did you know with that week off that you guys were poised for this breakout game?
Yeah, it all was in practice, man. We were hitting in practice, and we just felt it. We knew our offense would take off. I wish we'd have scored more touchdowns tonight, but that's just part of football. And our coach Miles did a good job of putting us in position to do the things we did tonight. Him and Coach Stud and the rest of the offensive staff. So we expected this. I don't know if the world did, but we did, and I think we did a good job of showing that tonight.
You outgained Alabama by 100 yards in offense, but yet you come up on the losing end of this one game. What do you guys need to do you think, to get better in that red zone, to turn those opportunities into touchdowns?
We just got to finish the drives, man. Their defense did a great job of bending and not breaking tonight, and they kept us out of the end zone. We should have scored some of those times, but we just got to convert on those fourth downs as well, man. It's just tough when you leave plays out on the field, but we got to go back to the drawing board this week and just take advantage of those next week and just move forward as a team.
Three straight 100-yard games for you. I mean, it's kind of an unbelievable story developing here. I know you're in pain that you guys lost, but you got to be pleased with the way you're playing.
It's tough, man. I mean, every player gives great effort. So, I mean, we're all pleased at all the performance because we know we gave great effort. But when you lose, going in the losing end of the stick, man, it's no good, man. So it's kind of like all that work going to waste. But I mean, it's fine, man. We just got to go back, watch the film, and see what we did wrong, and just go move forward from there because we can't let this loss run our season because we got games to play, and I think we'll finish the season strong.
Jeremy Hill, another breakout game for the young man. Three straight 100-yard games. Let's go back to the Louisiana Cat Studios.